Today, another topic that we are going to discuss in third chapter of GFC is planning for self-enterprise. సెల్ఫ్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ అంటే సొంత వ్యాపారం ప్రారంభించడానికి ప్రణాళిక. తెలుగులో సొంత వ్యాపారం ఏర్పాటు చేయడానికి కావలసిన ప్రణాళిక ఆవశ్యకతని మనం చూస్తాం ఇప్పుడు. దట్ ఈస్ ప్లానింగ్ ఫర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్. Planning is an essential business function. Means in order to have smooth function of business organization, the planning is needed. That is, before starting of self-enterprise only, the planning is needed. That how need to plan by the owner of the business organization that we are going to see now. That requires a dedicated effort. Means so much hard work is needed that is from the company's management team. Means management team need to have effort means that is nothing but dedicated hard work they need to have. That is for planning of for self enterprise. In order to fully realize means become fully aware of the benefits. Means if planning needs that they need to fully aware of benefits, means whether the organization is beneficial or not. If beneficial means that they need to have plan for starting the business organization. If benefit is not there or having or not, that they have to decide. For that planning they need to have dedicated effort. Means they need to have research regarding the all enterprises and all related enterprises. Research they need to have, and customers reviews they need to know. That is before starting the self enterprise. Companies often have an annual planning process. Means annually means yearly planning process they will be having. Means about the capital, about the resources, everything about the manpower, about the capital, and about the machinery or some other resources. They need to have annual planning process whereby the strategies and budget. Strategies means planning also they need to have, annual planning they need to have, and budget planning means that is capital planning they need to have for the upcoming year also. Means before a year only they need to plan for the total and management of organization or determined before itself. But in ideally planning means perfect planning should be a part of everyday management thinking. Means everyday management thinking for upcoming year or for next day or for the next month. They should have the clear cut idea. That is perfect planning is needed for running of business organization or for planning. That is planning is needed before starting the self enterprise. Next, after starting self enterprise also they need to have annual planning. Means for everyday functioning also they need to have perfect plan for managing the self enterprise or managing the business organization. That is a planning for self enterprise. తెలుగులో వ్యాపారాన్ని ప్రారంభించే ముందు ప్రణాళిక అవసరం ఉంటుంది. కంపెనీలను సమర్థవంతంగా నిర్వహించడానికి కావలసిన వనరులు, బడ్జెట్ లక్ష్యాలను ప్రణాళికలో వివరించాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ ప్లానింగ్ or advantages means ప్రణాళిక వల్ల ఉపయోగాలు. Means for this planning advantages are there or not for planning the business organization that we are going to see now. That is, during the planning process goals are set. Means we will be setting goals while planning process. In total planning process for running of business organization we will be setting the goals for both the short and long term goals. Short term means immediately, that is short term goals means weekly or for next day that the goals will be achieved. Or long term goals means year, at the end of the year the goals will be achieved. Those goals, short term goals and long term goals, will be setting by, that is during the planning process. These may be financial goals or there may less intangible goals. Less intangible goals means కనిపించని గోల్స్ కూడా, అంటే మనకు తెలియని గోల్స్ కూడా మనం సెట్ చేసుకుంటాం అండ్ బై యాక్సిడెంట్లీ వీ అచీవ్ దోస్ గోల్స్. ఫైనాన్షియల్ గోల్స్ కూడా సెట్ చేసుకుంటాం మనం. అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ గోల్స్ provides direction for all members of an organization. Means ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మేనేజర్ సెట్ చేసుకుంటే గోల్స్, దట్ gives or that provides directions అనేవి ఇస్తాయి ఫర్ ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఉండే అందరు మెంబర్స్కి దట్ గివ్స్ డైరెక్షన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద గోల్స్ విల్ బీ గివింగ్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఫర్ members in the business organization. Once goals are set, strategies are determined. Means goal set చేసిన తర్వాత we'll be planning for the action and ఆ goal reach అవడానికి actions అనేవి set చేసుకుంటాం, that is to reach the goals. Next, these are the actions that must be taken to achieve the started goals. Means those are the actions, means will be what you want to do the work. Actions are nothing but what work we have to do, what work that is members of the organization want to do, what work the workers of the organization want to do, and those are the called actions are taken to achieve the stated goals. అంటే గోల్స్ని బట్టి మనం ఆ వర్క్ చేస్తే దాని గోల్స్ని రీచ్ అవుతామని చెప్పి ప్లాన్ ఆఫ్ యాక్షన్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్. Next, including who is responsible for completing them. Means the responsible person is a manager and he take responsibility and he run the business organization and he gives directions for all members in the business organization. Planning provides a sharply focused blueprint. Blueprint means clear cut idea will be having by planning. For future, there is a clear cut idea by planning provides, there is a clear cut idea that by which the management team can guide the company. Means in the absence of a manager also, the planning, the blueprint will be providing, means clear cut idea of planning will be providing, that will be guiding the company, total team in the company, that will be guiding the total team in the company. Next, market research, fully aware market research means market need to know about the fully aware of market గురించి కంప్లీట్గా తెలియాలి. that is a key, means that is a main thing that the organization manager have to know about the research he have to do means full knowledge he have to gain about the market. Means whether the product, if they're making one product, means that is useful for the customers or not, that you have to understand. The customers will allow the business to better attract and serve them. Means అది అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుందా లేదా, మనం సర్వ్ చేసిన ప్రోడక్ట్ వాళ్ళకి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా, దట్ ద మేనేజర్ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఫుల్లీ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ అబౌట్ ద మార్కెట్. కన్జ్యూమర్ నీడ్స్ చేంజ్, దే టేస్ట్ చేంజ్. కన్జ్యూమర్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు చేంజ్ కోరుకుంటారు. కన్జ్యూమర్స్ అండ్ టేస్ట్లు కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. Based on that, the product need to make by the business organization. They are willing to pay for products or services changes depending on the economic environment. Depending on product and batti, they are willing to pay the and change also they should have they attract by change. The consumers attract by change, and taste also they will be changing, that is based on product. So based on that consumers willing, the product need to have change. Based on that, the manager need to focus on change and need to focus on goal and need to focus on plan of action. Next, planning requires vision means there is clear cut idea about future success will be there or not. For this planning, that the manager should focus, means vision should have or the ability to see success for the company before it occurs only success the vision should have, that is by the manager. All the decisions the company makes should contribute to making this vision to reality. Means all the decisions have to take, that is by for achievement only, that is vision means that is their vision should be have on the success, the total team members vision should have on the success. Based on that, they need to work and they need to take the decisions by that is to the company that makes achieving, means by that they can achieve at last and they can reach the goals. Means here planning requires vision, means that is they can ability to see the success for the company before it occurs only. By that, if they see vision, if they see before it occurs, success before it occurs, they can achieve more and they can reach the success at last. Next, the core concept of enterprises means the core concept of enterprises planning is resource allocation means core concept means they should have the concept that they should have allot the all resources. By allotting all resources only they can make the products and they can serve to the consumers or they can sell to the consumers. Resource allocation is very important step, or the making the tough decisions about where to spend money means after allotting resources means here man means workers allotting and money allotting. Material means like machinery or whatever products, whatever the things needed for making the product, and those are allotting is very important, or making tough decisions about where to spend money means where to spend money, that is also where to spend money, where not to spend money, that thinking also is important. And devotee staff members time means devotee staff members means show interest on staff members also is important, but is by the manager in order to reach the organization started goals means goals reach avvadaniki and success versus competition reach avvadaniki they need to manager need to allot the resources, and also manager need to spend the money where he need to spend the money, and also give importance for the staff members or give that is may show interest on the staff members is also important for success of the organization. And for competing with the other organizations these are needed. These resource allocation and spending money is important, and devotee staff members also important for reaching success of the organization. Next, the quality of the organization management team is an important determinant. Important determinant means the controlling whole organization. The team need to control whole organization of the companies means that quality have to be there by the management team for reaching ultimate success. A business owner has part of planning process. Business owner is a part of means he is a main person who is a part of planning process he will be doing, must constantly assess the skills and capabilities of current team means by planning process he can know the capabilities and capacities and skills of the team, his current team, versus the changing requirements of the business. If skills and capabilities of less in the team means you need to change the requirements of the business organization. And these are the steps of planning process means first before that is while doing planning of self enterprise, the manager should have goal setting, and the manager should have plan of action. The manager need to have vision of the future, and the manager should have resource allotment, and the manager should assess team that is about team regarding skills of the team and capabilities of the team, and that is during the planning process. And these are the steps of planning of self enterprise. Asking oneself means before planning, and before plan chese mundu manager that is a self enterprise manager can assess himself whether he can run the business organization or not. How he can assess himself means why do I want to start a business means ఎందుకు నేను స్టార్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను, is it for money, freedom or to solve the problem. Next, what is my skills, he need to assess his skills also. If he have skills to run the organization only, he need to start the business organization. Next, what industries I know about means industry is the same related and whatever he want to starting the business same like business organization, other business organization or having or not, he need to have research on that also he need. And what do you like, what he do like to do, అంటే ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అని he want to select. And how much capital do you want to how to risk means ఎంత క్యాపిటల్ రిస్క్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, అండ్ వెదర్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అంటే ఏదైనా ఫెయిల్ అయినా మనీ లాస్ అయినా he can bear or not, that he want to assess. And it is part time or full time. part-timer or full-timer, means he can spend full-time or not, that also he want to assess himself. తెలుగులో ప్రణాళిక వల్ల ఉపయోగాలు. ప్రస్తుతం మార్కెట్లో ఉన్న వర్తక వ్యవహారాలను, రకరకాల పరిశ్రమల గురించి సమాచారాన్ని సేకరించాలి. ఆ సమాచారాన్ని సమగ్రంగా విశ్లేషించి ఉత్తమమైన లాభాలను ఆర్జించే అవకాశం ఉన్న వ్యాపారాన్ని ఎంచుకోవాలి. వ్యాపారాన్ని ఎంచుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ వ్యాపారానికి సంబంధించిన పరిశోధన జరపాలి. అంటే ఎంచుకున్న వ్యాపార సంస్థ స్థాపనలోని బలాబలాలను, సాధ్యాసాధ్యాలను, ఆచరణ యోగాలు పరిశీలించాలి. అవసరాన్ని బట్టి భాగస్తులను కలుపుకోవాలా వద్దా అని నిర్ణయించాలి. వ్యాపారానికి కావలసిన స్థల సేకరణ, భవన నిర్మాణ ప్రణాళికలు, యంత్రాలు, మూలధన సేకరణ, ముడి పదార్థాల సరఫరా మొదలైన అంశాలకు సంబంధించిన ఒప్పందాలు చేసుకోవాలి. వ్యాపార నమోదుకి అవసరమైన పత్రాలు సిద్ధం చేసి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫీజు చెల్లించాలి. And there is a planning of self-enterprise and advantages of planning of self-enterprise.